life was dull until you came.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by for another video. So today I'm going to be sharing a quick speed clean and tidy up for you guys, and I hope this gives you some quick motivation to get something tidy or clean around your home, because I was honestly not in the mood to do anything on this day since it was a gloomy day, and I just decided to pick up my phone and start filming a quick tidy up of my main living areas, which is where we spend most of our time in, and it definitely made a huge difference in my mood. So I hope you enjoy, and I won't be doing much talking throughout this video since it is pretty short. I hope you guys enjoy the music and get motivated. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Alright guys, so I am just going to be finishing up here in my living room, and all I really needed to do was tidy up a bit. And as you can see, my two little helpers were here helping me take some of their toys back to their room, which I thought was super cute looking back at this while I was editing. But I am pretty much towards the end of this speed clean, so I hope this gave you tons of motivation to get things done, even if it's just a quick tidy up. It made a huge difference in my mood, and I didn't have to worry about cleaning a lot later during the evening. But anyways, I hope all of you are staying safe and healthy, and don't forget to like this video if you made it this far, and I would love it if you would subscribe if you are new here and turn on your bell notification to not miss future videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.